Hey there, welcome to TechTube. Today I'm going to show you how you can hide your location in Bumble through your PC. So what you're going to do is open a preferred website, web browser, then go on and log into your Bumble account on Bumble Web. So if you notice on my address bar, there is a symbol of a location like this, right? So when you click on it, that means the permission for bumble.com of my location is allowed. If you want to hide it, what you need to do, if it's the same or if it's similar to mine, what you need to do is just click on this little cross button right there. Now that resets the location permission for the Bumble. And okay, let me reset it once more. So I'm just going to turn on my location right now. So another way you can do it is if it's on, if your web browser do not give you easy access to your permissions like this. So what you need to do is go to your web browser settings, go to privacy or security, right? You're gonna scroll down and there should be a section called permissions. We're looking for location, so you're gonna click settings corresponding to it, right? So click on it. Now we're gonna search for bumble.com. We're just gonna block it, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna save changes. So look at this, it already blocked my location right there, right? So that's how you can hide your location. Another way is just use a VPN or proxy. Though it will not hide your location perfectly or completely, it will just spoof your location or bounce your location. So let's say you're a VPN, you're a VPN user and you're connected to Singapore, let's say. If you're not in Singapore, it will show that you are from Singapore. So it's like that. If this content helped you, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.